Hello everyone, welcome to Technologies Discussion channel. Today, I'd like to continue the discussion on Arduino and Python programming. For this video, I'm going to show it to you step by step how can we actually install Python programming and also PyCharm. This will be the part 3 series discussion of Arduino and Python programming. So if you're keen to know more about Arduino and Python programming, please take a look on the playlist under the description. On the playlist, you will have more information regards on Arduino and Python programming. This is my email. If you have any question regards on today's discussion, please drop me an email. Before I continue, I'd like to urge you guys to support this channel by pressing the like and also the subscribe button. Please also turn on your notification bell in order to receive more information from this channel. Guys, feel free to give me some comment so that the quality of this channel can be further improved. Once again, sincere thanks for your strong support. This is the homepage of Python. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you step by step how can we actually install the Python software. So take a look on this download here. So when I actually go to the download, it shows several selection. I'm using Windows, so therefore I click on Windows. So over here show a few series of release by Python. Okay, so this is the latest Python release currently. And I'm actually more keen to install the 3.10.11 version. So therefore, I click under this download installer 64-bit. So I click this. Okay, you can see that this is basically where they download the Python program. It's done. So I actually press the open file. Okay, so basically now I'm at the installation of Python. Okay, so over here, I just click install now. Okay, you can see that they actually start to install the Python program. Okay, so I'm not going to so-called forward this so that you can actually do this real time together with me. So actually this step basically is all on the installation of Python software. So let's give it a few more minutes, okay, for the software to complete installation. So it's still running. Okay, it's not a video pause. So I'm done. So basically you can see that setup was successful. Okay, so after that I can do a close. So now I actually can enable the Python. So for example, I can actually go to here. Okay, and then I can actually look for Python, for example, here. So let's go to all apps here. So I can actually look for my Python programming. So where is it? Okay, so it's here. So I on my Python. So actually on my this window here. Okay, so this is basically the Python page. Okay, so over here you can type several program. Okay, let me make it larger. So for example, I can actually do this to ensure that my Python shell is working. So I say that 1 plus 1, what is 1 plus 1? It will give me a reply of 2. And then for example, I can say 2 multiplied by 2, what will be the answer? They actually will reply 4. And I also can do this. I ask them to print. Okay, for example, I ask them to print this here. Welcome to Technologies Discussion channel. Okay, so I done this. So again, you can see that it respond well. So basically, this ensure that all this Python is ready to work. So you can see that, for example, I do this 1 plus 1 mathematics. I can also do some printing. Okay, so basically, I just want to print welcome to Technologies Discussion channel. It also successfully print this. Okay, so I'm done. I actually have finished install the Python program. Okay, next, I'm going to show it to you how can we actually install PyCharm. Okay, so basically this is the link, okay, to install the PyCharm. Okay, so this link I will provide to you guys under the description. So what you need to do is basically you come to this download, you click the download function here. Okay, so over here you can quickly see that this PyCharm start to download. Basically they download this PyCharm. Okay, so let's wait a while for it to be complete. Okay, so this is just only a few more seconds for the whole thing to be completely download. Okay, it's done. So basically now I click the open file. Okay, so it's still working. So let's wait a while for it to respond on the open file. Okay, so you can see that, okay, so basically I'm not going to do for all, so I'm going to install for myself only. So I just click next over here. Okay, so basically the destination folder is already specified here. So I just need to click next. Okay, so what you want to do, okay, for example, if you want to have a desktop shortcut, you can put it here. Okay, you can also create this association with Python over here. So after that, I click next. Okay, so make sure you select Jack's Brains here. Okay, so once you select this, okay, so you can start to click install. Okay, so the process of installation actually happened. Okay, again, okay, I'm not going to skip the process so that you can do this together with me. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is basically, maybe I will explain, okay, what is the difference between Python and PyCharm. Okay, Python is the program language mainly used by software developer to create various applications. As for PyCharm, PyCharm is slightly different. PyCharm is an integrated development environment, which is called the IDE. Okay, so Python is the language that the developer will be writing in, whereas for PyCharm, okay, it's basically the platform where they will be writing to create project. Okay, so this roughly give you some idea the difference between Python and also PyCharm here. Okay, so why we want to use PyCharm? Okay, so again, this IDE from the PyCharm, they basically combines various aspects of computer programming into a single application. And this make program a lot more efficient. Okay, PyCharm is in fact the most popular IDE used for coding in Python, okay, which happen to be the most popular programming language also. So if you are a programmer who has been studying Python and you want to know more what is PyCharm, okay, so basically this is why I want to make use of this YouTube to show it to you. How can we actually help to do some Python development? Okay, so basically this is the objective of this various series discussion of how to use PyCharm basically to control the Arduino Uno board. Okay, so this is what I plan to do. Okay, so let's wait a few more seconds, hopefully for the whole thing to finish. Okay, so let's wait a while. Okay, so it's finished. So basically, I can run the thing here. I can click a run PyCharm here, and I click the word finish. Okay, so give me a while. So basically now I already start my PyCharm. Okay, you probably give a blank screen, okay, because I actually uninstall and install back. So basically this is my so-called older program, but forget about this. So in fact, you probably will see a blank one. Okay, so basically I just click file. This is basically I just close this. Okay, so you probably see a blank one. Okay, so what you need to do is basically you click this button here, okay, which is the main menu. You click this file, and you actually set up a new project. Okay, so basically this is a new project. Okay, so you can see over here, I set up a new project 5. Okay, so basically this is the base interpreter. Okay, so I'm not going to change here. So I just click the word create. Okay, I can create in new window or this window. Okay, let's do it in this window then. Okay, so this is the so-called the program, main program by the Python. Okay, so basically next, I'm going to set up my own Python program. So basically I put this file. Okay, again, I put at this new, just now was new project. So now I click on new here. So I click on my Python file. Say, let's say I'm doing a project that describe myself. So I put the word myself over here. So basically, this is the program that I actually do it to describe myself. So let's do some testing on this to ensure that this is all working. Okay, for example, I can do a print. Okay, so over here, it actually provides some help, okay? So maybe I just print, let's say, what's, I can write on this here. Give me a while, let me think through what I can actually write for this here. So I can do print. Okay, welcome to technologies discussion channel. Okay, so I've done this, finish. So I print another sentences here. Technologies discussion channel is the best YouTube channel. Okay, so next print again. Please support by like this video and subscribe. Okay, let's say I'm done. So what I need to do is basically once I'm done, I actually can run the program by pressing this run here. But before I actually click on this run program here, I must make sure that I actually select the current file, because if not, they will run the main program. So I must select the current file so they will execute this file here. So I press the word run. So basically you can see that there's no error, and basically they print this thing here. So basically, this is what I have written over here. So basically, this is just a very simple exercise to show that this PyCharm is actually working. So welcome to Technologies Discussion Channel. Technologies Discussion Channel is the best YouTube channel. Please support by like this video and subscribe. So basically, that's all I have for this installation of PyCharm. Thank you so much for your support.